Hi, I'm Pierre from the Embedded Kit. I'm head of product and I'm in charge of the development of our toolkit dedicated for Linux. Why the Embedded Kit? We have made the statement 4 years ago that equipment manufacturer does not have the appropriate tools to build their equipment in the most secure and qualitative way. From our 20 years of experience inside the development of equipment for OEMs, device maker, we have decided to build an ecosystem of 4 different tools that will help device manufacturers to accelerate the development of their product and then to enhance their quality and ensure their long-term maintenance and cyber security. All of our products are based on a philosophy which is ownership transfer. We are giving the entire source code of our product to our customer to ensure a long-term maintenance of their own product. For sure, we are able to support them, we are able to maintain them through a yearly maintenance that we enable for the customer who requests it.